Hello everyone, welcome to the first episode of Cooking with Sabrina. So today we're gonna make one of my favorite Thai dishes, which is called pad Woon Sen. It's like a Thai stir fry with a bunch of noodles and vegetables, and it's so bomb. So if you want to see how I make this, then stay tuned. Okay, so let's get started. This is the ingredient list I wrote in my bullet journal. So I'm just gonna leave it up here for a little bit so in case anybody wants to take a picture. And then these are the instructions. I think I wrote all of them down, but if I didn't, I'm sorry. I also spelled this wrong because when I thought it's supposed to be an N here, not a D, so sorry. But anyway, these are the ingredients that you're gonna need. You're gonna need some mushrooms, some oyster sauce, some fish sauce, some soy sauce, broccoli, green onions, zucchini, carrots, these noodles. I picked these up at an Asian market, so I don't know where else you can find them. So just if you go to like an Asian Oriental shop, they have these. A regular onion, 2 eggs, and some garlic. In my ingredients list, where did I put it? Oh yeah, sometimes I put bean sprouts and sometimes I use shiitake mushrooms, but I forgot to get those, so it'll be fine without it. And I also have some shrimp that I am defrosting right now. This is just from Publix. You can literally put chicken, shrimp, or whatever you want. You could just have vegetables if you're a vegetarian, but other than that, let's get into the video. Okay guys, so the first step is to get some water. You gotta get a bowl. We're gonna soak the noodles, so just fill it up with room temperature water. I'm just using sink water, it doesn't really matter. Okay, and then you're just gonna put the noodles inside the bowl and let them soak. I washed my hands, so you're just gonna push them down and let them soak. They're like pretty hard right now, but like the water's gonna absorb into them and then they're gonna get really soft. Okay, so now we're gonna make the sauce. So all you're gonna need is a bowl. I already put the water in there because I didn't wanna make a mess. So I have 2 tablespoons of water. You're gonna need 2 tablespoons of oyster sauce. This is the oyster sauce I use. I think you can buy this at Walmart, but I think I got this at the Asian market as well. So just measure it out. And then I'm gonna need 1 tablespoon of soy sauce. I use the low sodium one just because it's already gonna be very salty. And then I'm gonna use fish sauce. This is the fish sauce that I use. And you're gonna put 1 teaspoon. Just dump that in there. And then you're gonna need 1 teaspoon of sugar. I'm just using regular sugar. Sometimes I use brown sugar, but I don't know where it is. So you're gonna put 1 teaspoon of that. And then that's all the sauce you need. And all you're gonna do is stir up the sauce. Okay, so now you're gonna get 2 eggs, crack them, and then lightly beat them. Okay, so now we're gonna wash the vegetables.
crying little.
Okay, so now I'm gonna cook the shrimp while we're getting everything else ready. All I did was add some olive oil, some salt, and some pepper. I didn't really add any like hard seasonings or anything, just because they're gonna be in the actual like noodle and stir fry, and there's already a lot of like salty stuff, and it's just a lot, so I didn't want them too over seasoned. So I'm just gonna let these cook for a little bit, and let's get on to the rest. So now we're gonna put everything in the wok. You're gonna just turn it on to medium, and you're gonna get some olive oil, just a little bit, and then just pour it in. Let that heat up. And then the first step is to take the egg that you scrambled up, and it says to just, well, let me let this oil heat up first. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna put the egg in the wok and let it sit there for 30 seconds without touching it. Just let it sit there for 30 seconds and then start scrambling it. Okay, and then just pour the egg in. And just let it sit there for 30 seconds. So now the egg's pretty much done. And then the next thing you're gonna do, you're gonna add a little bit more oil. And then we're gonna add all the vegetables. So just take all this shit, dump it in. It's a lot, but I promise you it's gonna shrink like crazy. And we're just gonna add some carrots in there. And you're gonna stir stir everything up if you can. It takes a while for everything to shrink. So I forgot to double the sauce. That's one thing I didn't double in the recipe. So I doubled the sauce and I'm just gonna pour it in the noodles. Oh yeah, I strained the noodles by the way. And I'm just gonna mix it in with this first. Because mixing this with the vegetables is honestly super hard. So just mix it in like this first. And then you're just gonna take the noodles and dump them in. Okay, it's like really hard to do this, to mix them. So usually I use one of these. And you just gotta marinate everything. So just put it on medium heat and just let it cook for a little bit till everything looks marinated. Okay, so I hope you guys enjoyed this. I hope you learned how to make this really bomb food. And let me know in the comments below, like, what do you want to see next. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and yeah, thank you, and I'll see you guys in the next one.